It's Friday. Happy Friday. I've had a really good couple of weeks in my office, and I decided to treat myself to some goofy girl shit. This is not a paid product placement. I paid for this. I have an Avon lady, and I love her. Or she messaged me, she's like, so, you know, we got this A box on sale. We got the A boxes, and I know you like a deal, Lori. And I was like, yes, I do. So, I bought this. It cost me $11.99 Canadian, plus tax, plus the tiny little bit of shipping for her to come into town. I mean, a box. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous for me to do. I got eggs boiling on the oven, and I just got home. A box. I like the box. I like the box. This is the Better Than Bare collection. It includes 4 different things. So it was such a really good deal. So really the only makeup that I regularly wear is like eyeliner and eye mascara. I don't even know what to call it. So anyway, this box had the wash off waterproof mascara in black in it. I feel like these are regularly about $5.99, I think, when they're on sale. I don't know what they are at the regular price because I only buy the deals. And then there was a blackest black Avon True Color eyeliner. Usually I use a liquid eyeliner because I'm a hot mess. This was in the thing, so I'm going to try it. We'll see if I can make it work. I got the Avon Power Serum. So on the thing, it says, give skin a dewy glow with Power Serum. I got some Power Serum to make my face glow. This is kind of what I was most excited about because I love eye color. I just don't wear it all that often. This is at a really bad angle. I have to look down at you. It's doing good things for my chin. Avon True Color 8-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I do like me some eyeshadow. Okay. Can you see? Look at, oh my God, you can see my Facebook in the back. Oh, look, there's me showing you. Showing you. Nope. Now you're seeing my window and my witch ball in the window. That's nice. Kitchen. Okay. Anyway, naturals. And the first thing you have to do when you get a pretty color is you gotta play with them. You gotta do the tutorials like the fancy girls do. First, I'll be doing this shade. Okay. It's pretty much the color that my eyes already are. Oh, I'm gonna. Oh, look beautiful. Oh, look, fancy. Oh, look, some light from the laptop. Now you can see I'm fancy, girl. And then you got the dark colors. This one. This is ridiculous. I watched a tutorial the other day of a fancy lady from Unique doing her makeup, and that's what you do. You're supposed to show everybody. Look at, oh, look. I'm a mom doing some makeup. Oh no! It's a typical day. So then what you do is you take your fancy mom spit and you just clean that right off. Nobody will even notice. Better. You can go right over all that dark shit that you just... Oh no, do I have the dark shit on this one? Yes. I mean, oh darn. Okay, are they matching? No. Start over. It's okay, you can save this. Put some, we gotta even them out so they're both dark. And you pick the second not quite dark color. Maybe you want to use the other side of your little Avon thinger. It's gonna be amazing. And you just feather that up. You just feather that right up there. Oh my God. Just feather right up from the really dark stuff. Oh my God, yeah. Look, I'm beautiful. And then you realize that the lighting is poor in here and you need more. You need more of this. Just even it out. Oh God. Fix it. Make it. Oh my God. I hope nobody my kids are going to come home. This. Oh no. Okay. Just move that all over with your finger. It's their best tool. It's your God-given tools. Now I don't have droopy eyes anymore. Pretty. Oh, what have I done? I got dishes to do. I got dinner to cook. Mom's life is hard. Oh, I didn't put any of the mascara on. You gotta open the new mascara right away. Hard. Put all the the garbage. Put the garbage wherever. You're going to be the one cleaning it up anyway. Open that. Look at all the chemicals. Don't worry about chemicals. You're going to be beautiful. The thing where you open your eye super big. This is the only payoff from being a hairy Sasquatch is you get easy, pretty, long eyelashes. Look at it. Make that noise. That noise is good. We forgot the eyeliner. We did it in the wrong. So usually I put my eyeliner first, but I was so excited about this Avon box for $11.99. I forgot. Oh, I can't close my eyes now. Dry. That's also a fancy mom trick. I'm doing this in the phone. Oh, by Jesus. Oh, you gotta... Oh, you're gonna fix that. You're gonna fix that. Oh, can we focus better? Probably not. That's old age. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't focus good at all. Maybe that's why it looks so terrific right now. Oh God, so rough. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares. They don't look at you anyway. They just come home and go right to their rooms. Now, I didn't put the serum on, so my face won't be glowing. Look at that. My face is so red from all the crying that I do because my teenagers don't need me anymore. Moms, you're beautiful. Even with the mom spit trick. I'm so not used to wearing makeup. You get your old, ugly, beat-up mom glasses that you have to wear because you can't afford to buy a new pair because your kids are so expensive. And there, now you're ready. You're ready to take on the day with your 1990s I Miss High School hairdo and your $11.99 Avon eyeballs and your sad glasses that you've been wearing for 5 years because you can't afford to get your new prescription. All right, stay pretty, moms. Bye.